Welcome to episode 5 of our educational series on 1031 exchanges. Be sure to watch our series on passive real estate investing basics and real estate taxation basics. We also encourage you to read our book, How to Retire from Being a Landlord, which you can order for free on our website or on Amazon.
In our last module, we discussed the basic rules and deadlines for what we called a forward exchange, meaning you sell a property first, then buy the replacement property second. But what if you need to buy your replacement property before you sell your relinquished property? As it turns out, you don't have to wait to sell your property to buy its replacement. This is because the IRS allows something called a reverse exchange. There are a few variations on this strategy, but I'm going to describe the preferred method by qualified intermediaries, known as the exchange last parking structure. This sounds like a place to go trade in your car, but it actually refers to a procedure that was approved by the IRS more than 20 years ago.
In a reverse exchange, your qualified intermediary takes on an additional role called an exchange accommodation title holder, or EAT. Your EAT essentially buys a property on your behalf in an LLC pursuant to a qualified exchange accommodation agreement and then holds the property while waiting for you to complete your sale. In some circumstances, you can make substantial improvements to the property being held by your EAT so that it will have a high enough appraised value to actually replace the value of your relinquished property under 1031 rules. This is known as a reverse construction exchange.
Once your relinquished property is sold, the same 45-day and 180-day deadlines apply as in a forward exchange. The proceeds of your sale will be applied to the final purchase price of the property you parked with your EAT. Note, however, that the fees you'll pay your QI to act as an EAT will be several times higher than what you'd pay for a normal forward exchange, as the EAT role comes with considerably more liability and paperwork.
So, if you have a hot opportunity to buy a property that will be gone before you can sell the property you already own, you can reverse exchange into that property. But with one obvious caveat, you must have cash or financing available to buy that replacement property. If your only source of funds to buy a new property is the equity in your existing property, you may not be able to pull off a reverse exchange.
Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out our other education modules and visit our website, 1031capitalsolutions.com.